Here I am where I normally fish. The river is over its banks, over here. Yeah, right there's normally where I would be standing, where that water is. And this is the dock. Well, here I am on the river again. It's April the 10th. I want to show you normal water level. I showed you the high water level. And now this is the normal water level for this area. See how much lower that is? Last time we were here, the water was over its bank. And this is where we usually land our fish. Let me show you something interesting. You see that yellow tape? Show you something. Well, here's my rods. Well, here are my rods. Got yellow tape here. Ooh, it looks like I got a bite here, guys. On the big rod. Seen the rod tip moving? See the yellow tape? Look what somebody did. This tree's got more bobbers. It's leaning to the river. So somebody got frustrated. And I guess they said this is the last time I will lose my bobber to this tree. So they took a hatchet and started chopping at it. I hope the park takes care of it before the storm does. I want to see how this is going to work. Okay. Cut this right there. Now, take a match. Burn the end. This is nylon. This should seal itself. Now, so we'll take this chicken liver. Okay, put it right in here. See, I should have probably stretched this first. That's good. How could you resist that? Uncle Gene!
Oh, look how hot it is.
Here he is!
Look at that.
Here he is!
Wow, I've never seen it this high before.
Yeah, well, it's springtime. That's the way it is. That's the way it is in the springtime.
Cool. Hey, give me some room over here.
Oh, you got it's all yours. I just caught that log over here. Friday the 13th, here we are, me and Gene. The only two guys that like to fish. The rest of you, I don't know what the hell you're doing. What do you think, Gene?
Ed, you caught me by surprise. I didn't realize it was a Friday the 13th.
Yes, yes it is. Used to be my two favorite days. 13th I was married on, and Friday meant that I'm going to be off next 2 days. But now I hate it because the rest of you working guys want to do what I do.
Well, I'll tell you what. Don't stop the clock yet. Friday the 13th. I was born on a Friday the 13th.
There you go. Okay.
Yes, I was.
Okay.
I was one of 13 babies in Patterson, New Jersey, born on a Friday the 13th.
13 is my lucky number.
And so is mine. I don't want to say why.
The 13th, first time me and Gina fishing in 2015. What's
No, Ed, it's not the first time. We went out in January when we fished Sanatoga Lake. The waterfall
yeah,
of Sanatoga Lake. Everything was frozen up then.
Right, we got to do that again.
Well, here we are. There's no snow on the ground. That's
Yeah.
nice, but the river's awfully high.
Yeah. All right.
And
well,
it is Friday 13th?
That's right. Your favorite day and
That is my favorite day.
I was married that day, and Gene.
And I was born on a Friday 13th.
There you go, guys.
Yep.
See ya.
Bye.
All right, you guys seen me and Gene out here? Now look at this. Look who showed up.
Hey.
Chris has got his rods out. Now we got 3 guys fishing. What are the rest of you guys doing?
And you guys should be watching some of Chris's videos. What's your
Extreme Outdoors 361 on
Extreme
YouTube.
Outdoors 361 on YouTube? Check them out.
And don't forget UGFN.
UGFN 2. I'm telling you, the sun's shining down in Wayne. I come up to Oaks. I got stuck in a traffic cop. Oh, look at that. Somebody cut that like that?
Big beavers.
No. That ain't people. Fuck. That's such a nice. It'd be nice to get rid of it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I said that many a times. Well,
You're not filming, are you?
they.
Hey, you're the guy I see on YouTube all the time,
Yeah,
aren't
yeah,
you?
yeah, that's me. No, somebody must have been really ticked off.
Fuck, I'll say.
Let's go over here. No, let me show you this. Now, what do you think about this, Gene? We're fishing right here. Okay, here's my idea. Okay, here we are. We're fishing right here. They provide a grill for us.
Right.
I'm going to keep some charcoal, some kindling in here, and we can catch a catfish.
You'd
What?
eat a catfish out of this river?
Definitely, no, without no hesitation at all. No hesitation at all.
Well, you better bring some knives and forks and some plates as well.
This river, you could see 10 feet down this time of the year, as long as we have, you don't have rain. This river is so clean.
It's the cleanest I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's very clean. So, there it is. People grilling here all the time. Bring the stuff. We're ready to go. Fish and eat the fish.
Ed, this is
Yeah, look at this. You got
pretty rusted up. and-
So what?
Yeah, I
You,
guess.
no. Tinfoil, Gene.
Oh, tinfoil.
Of course,
Yeah,
of course.
right.
You don't
I
do it
didn't
on
think of
this.
that. Right.
No, you have tinfoil, and I'm telling you.
All right, I think you wasted enough footage on this freaking grill already.
Okay.
Ed.
But now, the Dustin would kill for this. 'Cause he wants a fish fry.
Oh, yeah, he does.
Yeah, and here we are.
Yeah.
Eat your heart out, Dustin. This is what we got.
He's never fished here before, has he?
No,
He hasn't fished the river, in fact, in the kayak.
we're gonna get him this year. Yeah, we're gonna take him
Yeah.
to Topeth. You know what? I just said it on camera. I seen one today. He flew across again.
Oh, no kidding.
Again. Yeah, second time. The first time he was perched on that tree. Last year, I believe. But this year, he just flew right across. I'm hoping that he might fly back.
And you've got the zoom on your camera, so you get good pictures.
Yeah, but I didn't hear. He didn't perch today. He just flew by.
Yeah,
So by the time I got my shit
Right,
together,
it's tough to get that shot.
Yeah. These damn things are scaring my fish. That's why they're not biting. The geese are scaring them. Go back to Canada where you come from.